Hey guys, and welcome back for the love of food. Today we're going to do a quick tutorial on how to cut a carrot the safest way. So I've just kind of taken a couple carrots here, and these are little baby carrots. I don't have any bigger ones, so when I do get a bigger carrot I will replace and upload the video. So I basically just peeled these, and I'm just going to cut off the ends. So we're going to use those, but make sure to save all these ends for your stock. Okay, so cutting a carrot, if we wanted to make slices, say you wanted to chop it up and use it for a soup, if you wanted to make matchstick pieces and use it for a dip, cutting a carrot can be rather dangerous because it's very round and it's not sturdy. So that way when you cut it, you take the chance of it rolling and cutting yourself. So what we're going to do today is we're going to hold the carrot as flat as we can, and we're just going to take off a small little thin piece, not trying to use, trying to cut the carrot in thin pieces like this and going down, because then as you get down, the more chances of you have of cutting yourself because it's not stable. So as you can see, I just took off a small thin piece, and it's, you can basically tie it in a knot. That's how thin of a piece that I took off. But what it's going to do is it's going to hold my carrot nice and sturdy, so that way now I can go ahead and cut it and lessen the risk of cutting myself. Okay, so if you hold your knife, again, you want to always hold your hand, and put your fingers, almost like dig your nails if you could into it, but really dig your fingers into what you're holding to keep it there as sturdy as you can. And you want to run your knife along the your fingertips, but make sure you don't lift the blade up enough so that way you cut yourself. You just want to basically hold your knife so that way you're rubbing it against the backside. And you have to get a knife size that you feel comfortable with. Don't try to cut a carrot with a paring knife, because you need a nice sturdy big blade to actually get through and cut that carrot. So we have it flat, and I'm just going to make 2 slices. As you can see, that carrot did not move for me. And now we have 3 matchstick pieces. Okay, if you want to get everything as uniform as you could, okay, you cut it in half again. If you wanted, smaller pieces for your dip, cut it again. Okay, go from there, turn it over. Whatever is the flattest piece, you always want to use that. So that way you have nice uniform pieces. Okay, and then if you wanted to do a soup from there, you just bunch them all together, hold them together with your fingers so that they're not going anywhere, and you want to just make that downward motion. Okay, slowly moving your fingers back as you cut, and then you have little cubes that you can use for a soup now. Okay, so I hope this was helpful to you, and thanks for watching.